Okay, after knowing how to create new slides according to your different layouts and how to change your slide background and also your slide aspect ratio or slide size, the size of the slides, and also how to edit your fonts of a specific words or the whole text. If you want to change the whole text, you need to select uh, the borderline of the text box like this, left click, single clicks, and then if you want to select only specific words, you need to select inside the text box. You need to select the words, only one word or specific words like this. So by clicking, by single clicks. Okay, today I would like to show you how to drop your objects. Okay, so I don't like this background color, so let me change new. Okay, I don't like this background color, so no good. Oh, so okay, so design, so I can change like this. Okay, no problem, as you like you can do. So for me, very simple. Okay, and then now I will show you how to handle your objects. Okay, now I will draw a shape. For example, I will draw this oval shape, and then I will draw again, so this. Okay, so these two shapes, and then I can, if I click this shape, a shape format dash appear. This is called contextual depth. Okay, so this is shape format depth. So if I want to handle, for example, I want to draw like the leaf style. Okay, so you can also create this lapping, so overlay. You can do the overlays, and also if you want to see your background shapes, this is the front shapes, this is the background objects, this is front objects. Okay, if I do like this, okay, this is the background. So, okay, if I want to reorder this background to front, so you can right click, I select and then right click, you can bring to front. That means okay, now this is front, now this is right, or you can do also front like this. That means ordering your objects, so laying one, so this first and then this is the top. Okay, after that you want to see, okay, you can change your shape face here. I would like to change my shape face. Okay, I would like to change my, okay, like this. So this is the shape layout, shape outlines. Okay, and then I would like to see these background shapes, these backward the back shapes. So I can select like this, and then I want to see these shapes, so I can do the transparency like this. Okay, I can see this. If you, so that's me using transparency. Okay, if you want to change, so that's mean transparency. Okay, now this is only two shapes, but I want to get this only intersection part. So you need to select two objects, select, and then press Ctrl and select, and then you can get two slash and then go to shades, and then you can use this intersect. So I can get only one intersect if you uh, breaks different parts. If you want to break different parts, that means fragment. If you want to combine to one, so like this, so that means combine. If you want to do union, okay, unions means you may get like this. Subtract, you can also subtract if you want to get just like the moon shades, so half moon shades, okay, like this you can do as you like. Okay, but you need to, the main thing is you need to select both objects, just two objects. If you want to do three objects, you need to select all the objects like this. For me, so I would like to break all parts, so I let me use fragment. So that means I can get like this. Okay. Okay, if you know these methods, you may draw so different shape easily. Okay, this is called your shapes handlings, and also you can arrange your shapes of which one is from. So like this you can, okay, this is the front, okay, so this is front, and then this sent to back walk, okay, that's me. Okay, you can arrange like this as you like, you can do. And also if you want to see the back object, so you can do the front object transparency like this. So if you do like this, you may see the back objects. Okay, after that, okay, this is called how to, okay, arranging this like this means dashboard and this, so you can arrange as you like, you can do. For example, you want to see this, so you need to do this shape to back, so like this. Okay, arranging objects. And also okay, thanks for watching. Here